Hello, everybody. Today, let's look at PCA and ICA. This is a post I created on LinkedIn. I edit LinkedIn. So this picture was generated by ChatGPT 4.0. So I put the PCA on the head, ICA on the head of another engineer. So this is basically like a control room or a data center. So what is PCA? So I would recommend you can look at Wikipedia. So typically they give you a pretty good explanation, and even with details, not to the deep mathematics level, but also what I really like is the history that Wikipedia can always provide. So it was invented as early as 1909 by Carl Person, and it's called principal access theorem in the beginning, and is proper orthogonal decomposition, and it uses eigenvalue composition in matrix operation. So it's just part of the linear system theory for control engineers. So it's you can get to this and also give some introduction how you can look at it intuitively. So and you can look at details. So Wikipedia can basically give you a good message as a starting point. But the better starting point is today we have a GPT. If even if you don't have GPT-4, you have GPT 3.5, can still give you a good answer. Here is my example. I said, what is the principal component analysis? What is nonlinear principal analysis? So ChatGPT just give a very good answer in a very organized way. So PCA is used for dimensionality reduction in data analysis. It simplifies the complexity in high-dimensional data while retaining trends and patterns. So how it works, it identifies the direction and principal component in which the data varies most. So it then projects the original data along these directions for dimensionality reduction. So applications can be used for finance, not just for engineering. So it's for finance, data mining, bioinformatics, psychology even. So I'm an engineer, so I use that for engineering and research and development. So what is nonlinear principal component analysis? I explained that always extension from linear domain to nonlinear domain. So it's give you very good explanation at this point. So then I ask, what is dynamic PCA? So so it will explain to you dynamic PCA is extension of traditional PCA used for analyzing time series data. So it then give you the steps and how you're gonna do that. So and then again, I said, can you give a Python example? So just he produces Python example. So typically, what I would do is just copy this and paste to Python or Jupyter Node, the Jupyter Lab, and then you can test run it. So as a learning exercise. So and also you can look at the MathWorks website for message, because PCA and ICA, I will talk about the ICA later. So it's a toolbox, it's a package which you can have access if you have a MATLAB license, or you may need order this from the MathWorks website as well. So, but MATLAB is a source for learning PCA and ICA. But today people use Python as a free resource. So I talk about this because I read it's where's that one? So this is principal component analysis in MATLAB by a professor. So it's I use YouTube as the learning exercise. So it's good. It's good. So use YouTube videos. You can find more than this, and then learn step by step. So no hurry. So and then I look at or ask. So keep going. What is ICA? So ask here, what is ICA? What are most applications? Can you write a simple Python code, illustrate the use of ICA for data analysis? And the ChatGPT give a very good answer. Independent component analysis is a computational method for separating a multivariate signal into additive subcomponents. The technique is based on the assumption that the subcomponents are non-Gaussian signals and statistically independent from each other. So that's where the independent coming from. So ICA is often used when the classical methods like PCA are not effective, especially in the case of a blind source separation. So I give you application ICA, audio signal processing, image processing, biomedical signal processing, financial data analysis. So the first time I heard